Have you ever wondered how an animated short film is made? Well, in this video we will explain you. Pay attention. Okay, so today we will teach you the best tips to make an animation and an animated short film. So let's begin. We'll also show you the process of animation of our short film, The Bird. So let's start. So the first thing we did was to draw the figures in which we will color and the setting was made. This is the initial scene, initial take from the bird. And then we advanced to this and a lot more. Now, this is the first tip, pacing. But what is pacing? According to Google, pacing is the speed at which the story unfolds, how quickly or slowly scenes progress to keep you engaged. So, if I make a really fast short film and it keeps the audience engaged, it's okay. If I make a very slow one and it keeps the audience engaged, it's okay. So you need to really focus on the rhythm of your story. And all of this to keep your audience engaged and make more people watch your project. Now, we got a fun fact for you. For the bird, we used a style of painting that was, like pencil. We also used blur to show movement, major movement, and faster movement. And, well, you can see here the pencil style. And we also checked all of the frames, like this. And here you can watch that we used another kind of pencil and we draw lines. Now we also had to draw a lot because of this thing. Now the next tip, it is very important for you to check your frames, if everything is in a good place, if everything works all right, if everything is painted and things like that. Also, for the stars and little details, we used a crayon style. You can see here that we painted like that. Also, for the moon, we used this, like that. And well, here's a short video of how we painted the bird. And yeah, it was a hard painting, but we did it in a good way, and that makes us proud. Okay, so let's go to another tip. Now, the other tip we have for you is don't seek for perfection, because a perfection will slowly kill your work. It may make that you never finish it, and mistakes are part of being human and of art, because not everything is perfect. And that gives your project the humanity, and it proves and shows that it was not made by an AI or something like that. So we will leave you also here a short video of how we made the bird. Now, when we had everything painted and drawn, it was time for us to start editing. And first we added the sound effects. As you can see here, we got some leaves to make some sound effects. We counted to start the recording of them. And we made it like this and recorded them, and then we put them into the short film, into the editing software, and it sounded like this. Well, these are not the leaves, but there are other sound effects. Now the next step was the music. This is the bird theme, and you can go hear it on Spotify. Then we joined all the tracks to make the music and put it in our film. Next step was the artwork. We draw it in the app, in the animating app, and it was a very hard job, although it looks very easy, but yeah, it was very, very hard. Now, fun fact. First, we made this design of the bird. It was with a bigger length, and this was the first animatic we made for the film. Then we made the artwork on paper because we like to draw a lot, and we used different pencils, pens, markers, and all that painting stuff that made us have a very good artwork. And now we put it on our office, 15 Animation Studios. After we had the artwork made and everything made, it was time for distribution. And now the bird is available on Vimeo on demand. Now, some animation advices. Some advices we got for you. I will start with the first is to use the 12 rules of animation. This includes squash and stretch. It includes this thing called wait, like when a character with long hair moves his hair, it don't move with him. It stays in the air for a little bit and then comes back. Yeah, so that's the first advice we got for you. Then another advice is to animate every day. Yeah, so be disciplined. You need to animate every day, keep practicing until you get better each day. Maybe we don't will get perfection because no one is perfect except God. But yeah, if you keep practicing day after day, you will become better and better, and you will make better short films and everything you like. Now, the next advice we got for you is to define the style you want in your short film or movie or film. So the style we wanted for the bird was like hand-drawn style with pencils and things like that. And for other short film bositos, we wanted like a normal animation style. And yeah, so define your style and you know just put your signature in your work and make it become famous. Now, the next advice, this is not only enfocated in short films and films, it is focused on all filmmaking. So this advice consists in making a lot of context. Maybe one day in a party you will know a guy who is a producer from a big movie company, and yeah, you may contact him and he will make a work for you, and things like that. So yeah, make contacts, look for filmmakers in your city, in your town, things like that. So yeah, that's are the advices we got for you. Keep animated, keep animating, keep working until you get better each day. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video and please subscribe. Goodbye.